Discover the New Arrivals section, a gateway to fresh finds. Hello everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic that you often encounter in both online and physical stores: the New Arrivals section. Whether you're a shopping enthusiast or simply curious about English phrases, understanding this term will enhance your shopping experiences and language skills. Let's explore what makes the New Arrivals section a must-visit area for consumers around the globe. The New Arrivals section refers to a specific area in a store or on a website where the latest products are displayed or listed. This section is regularly updated with fresh stock, offering customers the newest trends, designs, or technology available in the market. New arrivals can include anything from clothing and accessories to gadgets and books, depending on the type of store. For shoppers, the New Arrivals section is like a treasure trove of the latest and greatest offerings. It's important because it showcases the latest trends. Keeping up with current trends is crucial for fashion enthusiasts and tech-savvy individuals. It offers fresh options. Regular customers enjoy discovering new products on each visit, making shopping an exciting experience. It helps in making informed decisions. By comparing new arrivals with existing products, customers can make better purchasing decisions. 1. Regular visits. To catch the latest items, visit the New Arrivals section frequently, as new stock can arrive at any time. 2. Sign up for newsletters. Many stores send updates about new arrivals through email. This is a great way to stay informed about the latest products without visiting the store or website. 3. Follow on social media. Brands often announce their new arrivals on their social media platforms. Following your favorite stores can keep you updated. The New Arrivals section is more than just a part of a store. It's a gateway to exploring the latest products and trends that can enhance your lifestyle or collection. We hope this video helps you understand the significance of new arrivals and how you can make the most of them during your shopping adventures. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to explore the new arrivals on your next shopping trip.